In this picture, a tree map is being used to show the different classifications of ways that you can sort different materials. And next to the picture of the children or the learners sorting the items is a QR code linking to their explanations of what they did. And I really liked this strategy because it's very visual, it's very clear how the different attributes are being sorted. And I love that there's that extra part of having the QR code explanation created by the students. This is a photo of a formative assessment, a ticket out, that was done using two different Post-it colors. So you can see kind of the key there that blue Post-it color was used if the learner felt very confident in the skill that they were practicing, and they used a yellow Post-it if they felt like they still needed more practice with it. And I think that's a really simple way to get an idea of where your learners are at with a certain skill and allow you to pull groups from that or make different adjustments in your lessons based on the color that they chose. I also like how this teacher had the learners come up with their own word problems about different graphs and data because that is something that she can go back and use to actually come up with problems for the learners to answer, but also it just brings that other element of problem solving to have to actually come up with the questions that you would ask about a set of data yourself. The subject that I chose to focus on is math. I teach both math and science, but I really liked the example of the formative assessment using two different colors because I think it would be a great way to really quickly just tell which of my learners feels like they've got it and which ones feel like they still need work with it, especially because I teach fifth grade, so I feel like at that point they're a lot more capable of telling themselves if they know something or if they feel like they need more help. And that could kind of allow me to pull small groups based on people who chose the color that means I'm still working on it. And it could also let me know if my high learners or my GT learners feel like they've got it, that tells me I can allow them to move on to something else or some sort of extension.